iba-iba nga ang dahilan ng mga housemates kung bakit gusto nilang pumasok sa bahay ni Kuya. Pero nung natanggap naman nila ang balitang sila'y official housemates na pare-pareho naman silang naging masaya. Pero ang pinaka nakakaaliw na reaksyon ay mula kay Si Chang. Narito at ipapasilip namin sa inyo ang mga naganap. Panuorin yung lahat. Mula nung una silang humarap sa audition, ilang buwan silang nag-abang. Ilang interview at test ang pinagdaanan. At matapos ang mahaba at nakakakabang paghihintay, paano nga ba nila nalaman ang magandang balita?
I'm here to give you the news of what happened to the audition. I will give you the decision. You are a housemate tonight. Okay, you have to open the box and get what is inside.
This is t-shirt, so I like pasalubong. Pasalubong.
Yeah. The T-shirt is pasalubong of Kuya to you. The bad news is you're not going back to Japan.
Wow! Maji! Kuya!
Congratulations.
ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。本当にありがとうございます。本当にどうもありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。よかったわ。よかったわ。よかったわ。もう本当によかったわ。よかったわ。Sorry, Kuya. I'm so about all the time. Very... So, I can control my emotion, yeah, because I'm so happy, yeah. Yeah, I thought, yeah, sorry, my grammar is so long, so, okay, it's your time, yeah. So,
We know you will make a lot of people happy inside the house and in the Philippines and in Japan. So we want you to be happy inside the house. Okay, we always be happy.
be happy.
Okay, so
Smile.
congratulations.
Congratulations. Yeah.
Congratulations to Japan.
Banzai! Banzai, Kuya!